Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Chip Tarkenton. Having a child in the hospital is hard for any parent to imagine. Now imagine having to get through this ordeal far from home. Fortunately, there's Ronald McDonald House of Richmond, a home away from home that helps families be together, come together with other families, and have the comforts that help ease some of the stress and hardship. And Ronald McDonald House is the focus of today's Good News segment from Care Advantage. Care Advantage offers compassionate and professional home health care around the clock. Here's more.
For more than 2 decades, Care Advantage has been a pioneer in the home care field. As a nurse, I've experienced firsthand the hardships families face due to the special needs of an aging or injured loved one. Care Advantage is dedicated to providing home care options personalized to your needs. Our compassionate caregivers are professional and provide not only a high quality of care, but the companionship that can be so comforting to a homebound loved one. Don't do it alone. Call Care Advantage.
With us now is Jason Young. He is the Executive Director of Ronald McDonald House Charities of Richmond. It's so great to have you in here. Explain exactly what Ronald McDonald House Charities does.
Well, we do a lot of things. The cornerstone program, of course, is the Ronald McDonald House, and that truly is a home away from home for out-of-town families with children who are receiving medical treatment locally. It can be physical health, mental health, dental health. We've even seen an increase in some alternative medicine.
Wow. Who can use the house?
Really, anybody from out of town who's got a pediatric patient that's being seen. Our cutoff age is 21. The medical facility, hospital, outpatient clinic, whoever, just makes a phone call, confirms the child is indeed being seen, and folks can come to us 24 hours before any admit or procedure and then stay 24 hours after.
We're looking at some pictures of the house, and tell us why the house is so important for these young patients and for their families.
Well, studies have shown that children heal better and faster with their whole family around them. So the entire family is eligible to come and stay at the house to help that child who's receiving the treatment recoup quicker. They can also receive emotional support from other families in the same situations. Our families come from all over the world, and you can have a family in a room from the mountains of West Virginia or the mountains of Guatemala. They might not even speak the same language, and you'd be surprised how much support they can get from one another.
How do those connections really help? And you've seen it up close and personal. How do they help?
It's really the empathy that the families have for each other. Being in the same situation, being in that communal living environment, both stressed out, both far from home. They just really find commonalities, and often very strong friendships are formed that are lasting a lifetime.
Talk about some of the other programs for Ronald McDonald House Charities, because it's amazing what you folks are involved with.
Sure. The house, of course, is eligible for folks outside the Richmond area. All of our other programs are eligible for folks only in the Richmond area. So we have a grants program. We give grants to other not-for-profits whose mission falls in line with our own, which is to find, create, and support programs that benefit the health and well-being of children and their families. So we give grants to healthcare and research, arts and education, anything really that benefits the health and well-being of the child. We also have a scholarships program, and it's a one-time scholarship for graduating high school seniors. This year, in combination with McDonald's local owner-operator co-op and the Ronald McDonald House Charities Global Office, we're giving $30,000 in scholarships away.
Wow.
We also have what we call Ronald McDonald Family Rooms, and these are very, very special rooms that are miniature Ronald McDonald houses, basically, just a few steps away from the pediatric intensive care unit at MCV Hospital. Sometimes it's a matter of a doctor saying, don't wander off, don't go too far. So these rooms are really reserved for use for families who are from the furthest away and whose child, unfortunately, is the worst off in the ICU.
We've got about 15 seconds. How can people get involved?
Pick up the phone, give us a call. We have many volunteer opportunities available. We have many ways to donate, and we love all kinds of creative solutions.
Information is up on the screen right now, the telephone number, also the web address, and I tell you what, these folks do an outstanding job, and a big thank you to Care Advantage for bringing you to us. Jason Young with the Ronald McDonald House. Thanks so much for being here with us.
Thank you.
Have a great day.